Hello family, I'm Peter Lee. Today is April 20th, 2024, and today I will introduce a new CPU algorithm coin called Pokecoin. It's a coin based on the Yes Power algorithm. Back when there were no mining pools yet, and only 5 blocks had been mined, I posted the news about the new coin on our VIP member webpage. Many members start their computers immediately to use the wallet solo, start packing blocks in minutes. At the time in the official Telegram group, many Russians were confused and didn't know how to sync their wallets or go solo. Our BitHunter community has already started to grow rapidly. This time, we easily outperformed everyone, feeling great standing at the summit looking down. It's worth mentioning that the developers of the plant pool showed great dedication by launching this new algorithm mining pool in just one day, making mining much easier. Just after joining the mining pool, I immediately pushed the mining information to all members via email again. Additionally, to make it possible for all family members to understand this today, I will teach you how to mine the new algorithm CPUB using the mining software of the plant pool. First, let me introduce the innovative aspects of this cryptocurrency. We came to the Bit Forum. The official Genesis post introduced the characteristics of this coin. It's a coin with dual proof of work. In other words, for each block, 2 proof of works are used. First, we verify the block with the Yes Power algorithm. Then in the second round, we use the SHA-5112 algorithm as SALT and the Argon2ID algorithm together to verify the same block. If the 2 pairs of valid work proofs through this block are correct, it means the block's valid work proofs are correct. This means we've struck mine. The innovation of this coin lies in the introduction of a new algorithm that enhances the security of the algorithm and resists the intrusion of traditional mining machines. To sum up, this coin is abbreviated as DPC, with a total supply of 42 million coins, a block time of 5 minutes, and a reward of 50 coins per block. Halving takes place to every 420,000 blocks. The algorithm is the dual algorithm we introduced earlier. After introducing the basics of this wall, I will show you how to mine it step by step. First, we head to the official GitHub to download the wallet for this currency. As always, I've prepared a wallet synchronization script and a mining script for everyone. If you're a VIP member, you can log into our BitHunter Treasure Box website and find the dump folder in the recent mining folder. Inside, we have carefully prepared a wallet sync script and a mining script for you, and it doesn't matter if you're not a member. You can join our official BitHunter Telegram group and send the words DPC tutorial in the group link. Group robots will automatically pop up DPCB tutorials and a one-click mining script. Very convenient. Once you've downloaded the wallet, you can double-click to open the wallet's batch file to launch it. First, you need to sync the wallet blocks to be able to mine this coin as soon as possible. You can click the hide button to let the wallet sync data in the background. If this is your first time using this wallet, it will prompt you to create a new one. Just click this link. First, set a name you like for your wallet. Here we choose to input BitHunter. Then, click the checkbox to set a password, followed by clicking the Create button. A password setting box will pop up. Enter your wallet password twice. Click the Confirm button, and your wallet is created. After it's created, click the Accept button, and then double-click the wallet list we created. The interface will pop up the QR code and address information of the wallet. We click the Copy Address button, copy the wallet address for later mining use. With the wallet address, we can go to the plant pool mining pool address. I also put it below the video. After arriving at the mining pool, you can find the Pokecoin B icon in the list on the left and click it. Clicking the icon will bring you to the Pokecoin mining interface. Click the Connect button here. Come to the Mining Details interface. You can choose mining software in the Mining Configuration module on the right. Since it's a new algorithm coin, there's only a mining software developed by a plant pool here. Next, choose the mining operating system based on your actual situation. Whether it's on Windows, it's still Linux. Then choose a mining pool node. You can choose one nearest to you. So theoretically, the mining delay is the smallest. If you want to save some trouble, you can also enter your wallet address here. Finally, it's recommended to choose this SSL encryption mining option to enhance the security of your mining requests. We have generated a mining command below. Prepare a mining command, and we can go to the DPCB1 mining software folder prepared for you by the BitChain people community to modify the mining script here. Paste the mining command generated in the plant pool just now into this script, and then save the settings. Double-click the mining script to start mining successfully. If connecting to the mining pool fails, it means forwarding is needed, and I've provided a forwarding address here too. You just need to change the mining pool address to free2100 DEXYZ9909, then save the settings double-click the mining script, and you can successfully mine. After mining normally, you can go back to the plant pool, enter your wallet address on the right side, and click the search button. You can enter your personal mining interface. Here you will see your mining power and payment situation. Okay, that's all for today's tutorial on the new CPU algorithm B, DPC mining. Our BitHunter channel will share with you the latest and most comprehensive mining and airdrop tutorials as soon as possible. If you like, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel, BitHunter, and ring the bell. If you're looking for more professional guidance and information, feel free to join our BitHunter VIP member group. Thank you for your support.